So we are here now in Thousand Islands, Brockville in Ottawa. There are more birds, apes. So napakaganda ng tourist spot dito. Pag weekend pwede kayo mamasyal, walang pasok. Ganda. Here from Montreal is almost how many kilometers? I think, so I don't know, maybe 2 hours driving from here. Pwede siya mag-fishing dito. Pwede fishing, yan. And then pwede mag-cruise ship papuntang Montreal para iwas traffic kung magta-travel. So dito tayo ngayon sa Rossville. Magandang tourist spot dito. Guys, samahan niyo ako mamasyal. So ito yung airplane. So electric na rin sa television. Nice and beautiful. Royal Canadian Air Force 23649 used for recap. So ito yun historic area region historic recap. F-86 Golden Hawks aerobatic flight team. F-86 fighter jets designed by North American Aviation School, built in Montreal by Canadair. Canadian planes powered by the Avro Canada or the engine. The Royal Canadian Air Force created a new precision aerobatic team in 1959 to celebrate the 50th anniversary of powered flight in Canada. This demonstration team was named the Golden Hawks. So the Golden Hawks pala to. The recap plane of choice was the Swing F-86 fighter jet. The F-86 had serviced the recap since 1948 from August 1950 to October 1958. So napakatagal na. Di pa tayo buhay nito. Canadair built in 1815 Canadian F-86 subrace in Montreal. Orinda turbojet engines built by Avro Canada powered them. The Golden Hawks team was made up of 7 planes and performed at air shows throughout Canada and the United States. The Golden Hawks performed at 317 shows to 1959 to 1963. Unfortunately, the team was officially disbanded for financial reasons on the February 7, 1964. The plane on the display here, number 23649, was required by the member of Brockville 19 number 426 wing of the Recap Association. It was mounted here in 1968 in memory of all Allied airmen who lost their lives in the cause of freedom. All right. So Oh, ganda. Katulog yung aso sa loob. Okay. Tatalon kaya ako. Guys, pasyal ko kayo dito, panoorin nyo. Comment down below sa gustong mag-tour. Santancer Rock. Okay. General Brock 3. Yes, harbor. So dito yung pila ng barge mag-cross. Kung mag-cross island yan, kukuha ng ticket per ticket.
See, we got time to have one.
Not going so far ahead, come on.
It's nice and beautiful. Ay. Ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung ano na dito. So here the Brockville City of the Thousand Islands coming local events. Brockville Rave Fest, Hardy Park, August 8, 11, 11. So dito naman downtown, Brockville. Ito yung City Hall. So, tunnel, punta tayo ng tunnel next natin. So galing na tayo dito sa Blockhouse Island. Then sunod natin yung tunnel. Then punta tayo ng city. Alright. So here the Thousand Islands Cruises welcome venue. Alright.
Dễ thôi, cảnh vô Việt Nam đi sẽ đấy.